Welcome. In this tutorial, we're going to set up the Project 2 tutorial for the web page, and that is going to be from the chapter zip file, and the actual site name is ATC. I would not have the zip file and the site name different, but I want to follow what the book actually does to the letter to make things a little bit easier for you, so we're going to keep that. So the very first thing you need to do is go into GoBerry and then find your web storage. You should have a folder inside the Berry hosted user files, which is IT-338. Mine is right here. Inside that is the WIP. If for some reason you have not done this, make sure you look at the videos on exactly how to do it, or I will go over it again in our next online meeting. So we're opening up the WIP. Again, the WIP stands for work in progress. That is what the book is using, so we're going to keep it. I may have gone up one further. So we have the kinetic zip and a kinetic folder that was from the first project. So what we need to do is get the second one. To do that, you want to upload. You need to find the file wherever you have downloaded it from. Remember, I do have it in Canvas, so you can download it directly from that. I'm going to go into my project zip files that I have set up for this class, which is right here. Yours will be in somewhere else. And then what we want to do is find the chapter one. I have it right here. And we're going to click on upload. And done. Once you've done that, then you're going to right click and choose unzip. We want to confirm it. And that takes care of the files that we need. You can see we have the chapters, which is actually going to be the ATC site. So I'm going to go back into Dreamweaver. In order to get into that, I've got to close out the web storage files, go into Dreamweaver. Once we get into that, notice the WIP site is open on mine. However, you may not have the same, so we're going to go into Site. We're going to go to New Site. And I'm going to open up the IT-338 WIP and chapter. Once I do that, I need to name the site, which is ATC. And it's always good practice, regardless of whether the book tells you to do so or not. Go into Advanced Settings, find the Default Images folder, and choose Images. If there is no Images folder, then you can create it. Click on Save, click on OK, and you're done. Now notice it changed to WIP into ATC. If we choose the WIP directory folder, you'll see if I go into Files that the chapter and the kinetic are there, as well as the two zip files. If you do not remember how to get the zip file, just go into Canvas. You can't see it because I have it on this screen. So I'll bring it over here. And if you go into Modules, and then go into Week 2, you will find it right here. The chapter WWCC17RF zip, which is the ATC. That's all for this video. Hope to see you soon.